Introducing the HITBOX MIG250 Aluminum Welder, a powerful 6-in-1 welding machine designed to deliver versatility, precision, and high performance for both professionals and advanced users. This all-in-one system supports multiple welding modes, including MMA, gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, spot welding, and single pulse, giving you the flexibility to handle a wide range of materials and applications. Whether you're working with aluminum, stainless steel, or carbon steel, the HITBOX MIG250 ensures strong, clean, and reliable welds every time. Equipped with advanced synergy control, the machine automatically adjusts voltage and current based on your settings, making it easier to achieve perfect results, even if you're not an expert. The 2T, 4T trigger modes provide better control and comfort during long welding sessions, improving both precision and efficiency. Powered by a stable 220 volts input, it delivers consistent arc performance with smooth welding output, reducing spatter and minimizing post-processing work. Its compact and durable design makes it ideal for workshops, garages, and on-site jobs. Whether you're fabricating, repairing, or creating custom metal projects, the HITBOX MIG250 is built to boost your productivity and deliver professional-grade results with ease. Power, control, and versatility, all in one machine.